Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix AliExpress app not working issue. Before anything else, please make sure to check your internet connection. You can switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi, then reopen the app again. A weak connection is also one of the most common reasons that the app doesn't work, as the refreshing of the app may also often fix small glitches. The another way is you can just go to the App Store or Play Store. Within the search bar, type AliExpress and check for updates. If the update is mentioned in place of open, tap on update and it will automatically begin to update the app. Running an old version of the app may also cause crashes or loading problems. If the app still is not working, you can just restart your phone, which clear temporary system bugs and help the app run smoothly again. For Android user, you can just go to the setting. Within it, look for apps, then tap on it. Here you will see the list of the installed app. From there, choose AliExpress. Now it shows different info related to AliExpress. Tap on storage. Within it, you will see the option clear cache. Click on it. After you tap on clear cache, this won't delete your account or orders. It only removes the unwanted files. If you are using a VPN, make sure to turn it off and try again, as AliExpress may also not work properly with some VPN connection. But if nothing works, you can just uninstall the AliExpress app and again reinstall it and log in using your original account. You must keep in mind that sometimes the issue is not on your side, but the AliExpress servers may be temporarily down. So if the problems continues, you can just go to the account icon given at the bottom right corner. Within it, tap on Help Center. From here, scroll down and tap on Online Service button. Then make sure to report the issue that you faced, and that's how you can fix the AliExpress app not working issue easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.